Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. My name is Ron Schwali, and I just share my thoughts as I'm driving or whatever in my car. Today I did 2 assembly programs in the morning called the Team Heart Experience or the assembly program. We talked about responsibility, we talked about being powerful, and I play a game with the kids called Run Gator, where they run in place and then they drop down onto their belly, and when I say gator, they take their alligator jaws and go chomp, 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 and when I say sleeping gator, they roll over into their back and they pretend like they're sleeping and they go chomp, chomp. And the conversation that I have with them for this exercise is about being responsible and being powerful. Meaning, if you drop down onto the floor and your face is by somebody's feet, you have 2 options. You can either blame them for not knowing that your face is there, even though their shoes don't have eyes, so they actually can't see what their feet are doing. You can blame them, give them the responsibility, and give them the power, or you can choose to take the responsibility and the power on for yourself and slide yourself back. And I talked to the kids about that, and even kids as young as 1st grade got that. I'm on the floor laying down, there's somebody's feet by my face. I can either choose to tell them what to do and to move forward. Maybe they heard me, maybe they didn't, maybe they want to follow my directions, maybe they don't. We as humans don't like to be told what to do. Or I can take an action, take the responsibility onto myself, and take the power onto myself and slide myself back. And this came from a long time ago when I was actually at a wrestling school with a couple of my buddies, and I was pulling back out of a parking spot, and there was a truck moving forward. And actually, it wasn't moving forward, it was backing up. So I pulled back out, and I'm honking my horn in direct path of this truck that's moving backwards. Maybe they can see me, maybe they can't. My 2 wrestling buddies with me are telling me, move forward, move back. They wanted me to take action. But at that point in my life, I was stuck. So I'm sitting there blaring on my horn, having the hope that the truck stops before it hits me, instead of me taking action quickly, putting my car in park, and just moving back into my parking spot and letting the truck go. One gives the power over to somebody else because I choose to put the responsibility in their hands. One is the other action where I choose to take power, I choose to take responsibility, and I'm happier. It's up to you. Be responsible. If you want other people to act, try to figure out ways how to get them to change their behavior so it benefits you. If it doesn't, then you need to act. You need to take charge. You need to be responsible. You need to take your power back so that you can have what you want in life, instead of blaming other people for not giving them if they don't even know that's what you want. Choose this, try it out, see what your day's like, and then evaluate. I don't tell you what to do. I don't preach. I just ask you questions like, how's it working and how does it benefit you? Are the ways that you are being, where you're choosing to be responsible and powerful, working for you? If they are, awesome. If the ways that you're being, you're choosing to be powerless and you're choosing to put the responsibility of your life and everything else on other people, on kids, on other adults, on society, then you hand your power over. How's it benefiting you? How's it working? If it's working, awesome. If it's not, maybe consider changing it. I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day.